1. Open the Word document to which you want to add page numbers. 2. Click on the Insert tab at the top of the window. 3. In the header and footer group, click on Page Number. Choose where you want the page numbers to appear. You can select Top of Page to add the page number in the header, Bottom of Page to add the page number in the footer, Page Margins to add the page number in the margins, Current Position to add the page number at the current cursor position. 4. Select a style for your page numbers from the gallery that appears. If you need to format the page numbers, click on Page Number again and choose Format Page Numbers. Here you can choose the number format, for example, 1, 2, 3 or I2, Roman 3, and specify the starting number if it's not starting from 1. Once you've inserted the page number, click on Close Header and Footer on the ribbon.